Alright. Y'all know what the fuck to do. Leekautorepair. A little tired. Actually, I'm a lot tired. Y'all see what I got behind me? The '08 Audi A5. Let me talk louder so y'all can hear me. Y'all been watching my videos. Y'all saw that I pulled the engine out. And actually, I don't even think I did much talking on it. I said I was going to do a tear down, but I did go over on helping you guys check out the engine before installing it. So y'all want to know how I made out. So this is how I made out. We're going to fire it up so y'all can see, because I forget your name. Let me look for your name real quick, because you put in a comment saying that if I start the car, the engine going to be bad, and I just we bought a fucked up engine and all of that shit. Just want to clear things up for you and shit, bro. Definitely gonna clear it up. I think you're John Benhanger or something like that. Hold on, I'm trying to look for your shit. Hold on 1 second. But yeah, you was a little crucial in your comment. Like, you know, instead of having good faith, because, you know, I don't think about it something bad before I install it, you know. Who wants to think about that shit? You give yourself bad luck and, you know, less inspiration to fucking finish the fucking job and shit. Don't do that. Gonna fuck your game up. Definitely gonna do that. Hold on, what's his name? Hold up. I think it's this one. Johnny Harbinger. I think that's what it is. Whatever. Well, I'll correct it later. But I'm gonna fire it up so y'all can hear it. Y'all let me know if it's good or not. Alright. As you can see, it's running. A little loud. The fans are on. Got the AC on. Car sounds good, runs good, drives good, shit's good, everything cool on it. It was a pain in the ass doing this job. Actually, let me shut off so I can finish talking. The job was fun, and then it wasn't fun. The part that makes it not fun, like my arms is literally scratched up. I got like literally 20 scratch marks all on my arm. Felt like somebody was poking me up with like needles in my arm, like real shit. You got like this burning feeling, because my shit is just all scratched up and shit. When you working on German cars, Audis, everything got like a tight spots. You ain't gonna be able to squeeze. Actually, you're gonna have to squeeze to get most of these parts out, but the engine gonna be hot. It's just gonna be a lot that's in your way. This is gonna make it make you have a hard time doing this shit. But you done engine, you done one engine, 2 engines, 3 engines. You damn near done them all. It's just different ways to do it. So that's how I looked at this job. It ain't no different than any other engine job I did. Everything came out, the whole powertrain with the subframe, engine and transmission together. One thing I did learn next time around, if I do the job, is to I want to take the engine harness out with the computer, because the computer is not inside of the car; it's under the hood. So it's just smarter and faster to drop. You can leave all of the connectors all on the engine. I didn't know that at first. How often do I do Audi A5s and shit engines? Not often, but just take the whole engine harness out, because the ECU is right in the cowl, and you can leave all of your sensors and stuff plugged in. It can come out just like that, and just make your life a whole lot easier. But other than that, not much really. Well, plastics, that slowed me down. Was a lot of connectors, probably about 6-7 connectors. I had to like swap over and cut and splice and everything. Audi, they real shitty. They need to step up their connectors, especially the integrity of it, because after a couple years, 10 years, 5 years, I don't know how many years you live up north, be a lot of rust. Just, I don't know what the weather at where you at, but these connectors, as soon as you take them off or press the tab, they cracked. And y'all know with these German cars, these connectors need to be in correctly, because they just designed weird. It ain't like your typical Honda or Chevy. You press down on the tab and pull it out and then push it back in, and then they click. Like, these is straight fucking weird and shit. Straight fucking weird. So good thing the engine, the old engine, spare engine, I was able between the two swap over a bunch of parts. Replace the couple coolant lines, so replace all Never use your radiator hose, the old one. If it's savable, if it comes off good, cool. But if you struggling to get it off, just don't even fuck with it no more. You're gonna break it and possibly break the neck that it connects to on a radiator or wherever it is you're trying to connect it to, or some type of coolant pipe, water pipe. Be careful. If it don't come off, replace it. That's why they make a shitload of radiator hoses and all types of coolant hoses, the little quick connect thing or whatever. They know they shits is bad and they break. That's why everybody keep them in stock or whatever. Trying to figure out what else to cover. Do I got any codes? Yeah, I got a code for O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. Problem with like the talking about it was like a short to ground or some crap like that, but the owner told me this car had previous codes before doing this job. So at this point, we're gonna call a customer, try to sell, you know, an O2 sensor and see what else is needed and go over a few things. But listen, this shit run good. This shit real fucking good and shit. And would I do this again? Hell yeah, all day long. I don't think it was that bad. It wasn't just that bad. The only thing that makes it that bad, my arms just fucking scraped up and shit. I'm fucking tired of shit. I don't know, I gotta hit my shit, my arms with some needles more. I gotta do something. But yeah, this literally felt like I got tattoos, but I ain't getting no new tattoos. I'm being real with you and shit. What else on this car? I replaced the valve cover gaskets. The engine had like low mileage on it, so it wasn't like, you know, too much stuff to do on it. It was just like little shit on it that new spark plugs in there. That's about it, you know. Ain't nothing to talk about. So just want to let y'all know where I'm at with things. I just wanted to really post a video so you guys can see that this shit really started. So be on the lookout. You'll be getting more videos like this, definitely. And I'm getting out of here. Leekautorepair, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Oh, whoever left me a comment, let me too, cause you had asked me yesterday. Let me. Okay, hold up. All these damn comments and shit, I be like losing it and shit. But someone asked me, I took a screenshot actually. Hold on, I'm never organized when I record. Hold up. Where we at? Right here. Alright, I got it. Matt Lenz, you asked me a question, how did I develop my skills and to get where I'm at is really no way. And I can answer it, I'm gonna answer it in another vid, but I'm gonna give you a quick answer, bro. You gotta be dedicated to this shit. You ain't dedicated. I can't tell you how to be dedicated. You gotta want to do this shit. You don't want to do this shit, it's not gonna click. And you can't force everybody to do this shit. Not everybody want to fix cars. Like, it's pointless if you don't like fixing cars and you fix cars that don't even make sense at all. Like, you definitely gonna run into fucking jam and just gonna slow you the fuck up. You're just not gonna have no fucking drive or ambition and shit. So if you want to do this shit, you gotta have passion. That comes with like literally 30 pages of fucking crucial information I probably gotta give you. So we're gonna say that for the next video, definitely. So everybody stay tuned in. I'm getting out of here. Y'all probably try to post this video tonight. I don't know. Do like less editing on vlogs. I don't like to edit on vlogs. Actually, I probably won't even edit. I'm just upload it just like that. On vlogs, I don't like that. No, only on how-to videos and stuff. Just so that way I can, if I fuck something up while, you know, installing or did something wrong or something, I ain't gonna leave it in the video because I want y'all to do the job right. So that's when I'm gonna edit that part out. So we're gonna leave editing for the how-to videos, vlogs. We just gonna talk raw stuff. So I'm out of here. Y'all make sure y'all smash that like button. Also, anybody in Philly, Philadelphia region, Delaware County region, tri-state area, Delaware, whatever. Anybody in the Philly area looking for a mechanic. I know it's people from time to time let me know that they from Philly and they want to know where I'm at. Some people, I had a side job lined up. Somebody saw one of my videos and hit me up and I, you know, banked out a side job. But Y'all want to know where I'm at? All you gotta do is just get with me. Email me, leekautorepair@gmail.com. Email me, I'll let you know where I'm at. I ain't gonna put it in the video because we got motherfuckers on some stalking shit. They don't know what type of time they be on, but they be like weird on YouTube. But get with me. Y'all see my work. Y'all see what I can do besides me being all crazy and stuff. But listen, I'm right here. Bring your cars, bring your work, bring anything you want, bring me you want me to do. You just want me to touch the car, period. State inspections, oil change, diagnostic, all that. Be sure to hit me up. And I'm going to hold it down for Philly and shit. So, yeah, that's all I got to say. Y'all want to get with me? Leekautorepair@gmail.com. Business inquiries only, of course. And I didn't even do this this damn review. I know they're going to email me and ask me if I reviewed this. And I'm probably just going to tell them, no, I'm busy. But I try to get to it. And I might give it away because I ain't got no use for that shit. I'm just being real with you. So I'm getting out of here. I'll holler at y'all.